Alrighty, what's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in to KJ Trading. Wasn't planning on making a video today. Um, don't know if I'm even gonna really make a video. So if you're watching this, I guess I made the video. But I wasn't even gonna trade because my rule is don't trade after 11. But I didn't wake up till 11, and I haven't traded in like 4 days or 5 days now. Let's say Tuesday, so it's been 4 days, and I just wanted to pop on and found one good trade on ALF, made $60 in 5 minutes or so. I didn't go in that heavy. I was gonna go with 1,000, but that's all right. Still a green trade, still worked out. Right now, I'm looking for this to break this this white trend line that's becoming resistance, but also a break over 828 level. If that happens, we might see a move all the way up to VWAP, and I'll buy with 1,000 shares here. But you can see this was a support line, then they broke it, and they've been trying to break back up through it this entire time, but they have not been able to. Now they're pulling back. So I'll put a stop limit order here. Thanks to the viewers that told me about this. So 829, I'll put my order in. So 1 cent above the break, because I don't want to get in at 828, because they might hit 828 and I reject. So 1 cent above gives me that confirmation that they actually did broke that resistance level, and that since they broke, people are probably going to buy for new highs, and then you get that breakout trade. So that's what this is. It's a breakout trade. Put the order in there for 1,000. Whenever they come up to 829, my order will get filled. I'm just debating on moving it up to 831, because 830 might become a resistance. I don't think it will. There's not really any clear resistance at that level, but you never know. Now I'm going to make another trend line here. I was going to do that. I'm not gonna. I'm going to do this instead. So this is kind of their new support trend line here. They got a lot of resistance, all around 830. Now if they break through 830, this white line is going to be a resistance. Yeah, I'll come back if they do. Alright, I'm coming back. I had to cut the video because people were coming downstairs. But anyway, they consolidated. Volume dropped off. My order's still out here just in case they pop up. But this isn't looking good, really, because now they consolidated here, and now they kind of broke this trend line. That's why they just dropped. And they have plenty and plenty of room to come back down. Because as you see, if I just zoom out here, this is the first day that's actually red. I was trading them way back here. You can see they have room all the way back down to like $4. So this could just be the start of a much bigger move. It looks interesting because it's finally starting to go, have an uptrend here. But I don't know. Anyway, they consolidated, and now they're kind of making new lows. Actually, this looks almost like a pennant. Almost is a pennant here. Guess you could draw that line. Let me get all these other lines out. There's too many now. Actually, I got to keep all those in. So you can see resistance here, resistance there, and then it became here as well. So now this is a resistance line that if they break through it, it's going to look bullish most likely, and people are going to buy it. And then you had this support line, which I'm going to keep here, because if they break through this resistance line, this will become new resistance, uptrending resistance, and if they break that, it will also look very bullish, and they might break out above. I know there's a lot of lines, but right now this is a big support. Oh, online. $8 is a big support here. There they go, breaking through it. Take this off. So now we gotta look for a pullback trade. My trading setup is the first minute candle to make a new high in the pullback, but I need to be careful here because it might not be a pullback, it might just be a crash. So I have to have a tight stop. This is the actually second leading volume. How do I say this? In the volume leaders, like the stocks that have the most volume today, this is the second one. It's got 147 million shares traded today. I'm going to add float to this. I'll tell you their float in 1 second here. Alright, so their float is 121 million. So that's a bigger float. They cycle through their float one time. ALF, which is the third, ALF, I'm sure everybody knows that one. But their float's only about 4 million, and their volume today is 123 million. They cycled through their float like 100 times almost. Well, not 100 times. Like 50 times. I don't know. Do the math. I think it's about 50. 100 would be over 300 million. So it's like 50. So anyway, TRCH still pulling back. Where would they pull back to? Anywhere we could try to see. They already broke that level. Right here could be a support level. Double top right there, or almost triple top. So that will actually be a support level that we'll have to break down through. VWAP is way up there. I could buy here and have a stop below, but it's not my setup, so I don't want to take a trade that's not an A+ setup anymore. I want to take fewer trades, but better quality trades. Since I'm over the PDT rule, I've been trading too much and paying a lot in commissions, over like $1,400 in commissions already. So I need to make at least $1,400 just to cover that. And then I'm red so far. So not looking the best. But I've only been trading for like a week, a little over a week and a half, not even. And that first week was me just kind of getting used to this platform. So what I've learned so far is you need to not overtrade. I'm only going to be taking like A+ setups here. Actually, this looks like a really good setup. What is that price? $7.90. $7.91. Please don't break yet. I'll buy over $7.91. That's a breakout trade. First candle to make a new high, and then my stop's going to be a low of this candle here. So I got in there. That means they just did go higher than this candle, but not much volume here. I'm looking for the volume to pick up quickly. There it goes. And now I'm looking for it to break over 8 again. And like one candle here, if we can do that. Taking a little bit out there, 250 shares. Still holding. I know I have to like zoom in. It's going to be hard for you guys to see, but let's see. Can it break 8? It's going to break 8. There it is. Taking a little bit more out.
Did your watch fix good?
Yep.
Huh?
Yeah.
No problems?
Nope.
I charge you.
Had to cut it real quick, but you can see where I just traded. So that's my setup there. And it worked. I'm going to cut it real quick now. You can see $87 right there. Now you can see I'm up 150. And that's exactly why, because I knew this white line would become resistance. I felt that gut feeling there. But I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I've taken 2 trades while I was gone. I couldn't record because it was just too noisy. But as you can see, I've taken 1 trade, 2 trades, 3 trades, 4 trades. These last 2, one's green, one's red. I don't remember how much I was up when I was recording, but I'm up 187 now. Was up to like 25 from this trade here. I bought this breakout at, what is this line? 805, I think I bought it at. You can see 806. I bought it at 806 for the break. Scaled out 25% for 4 cent gain, and I scaled out the rest here. You can do the math of how much I made. I don't know how much I made, but made some money. It was a green trade. Then they dipped back down, and then I bought this break just a little bit ago for this kind of like a double top here at 815. So I got filled at 816 where I wanted to get filled here. Didn't want to break too good here, and then it finally popped over, and I wanted to take half out up here, right at 820, but it popped so fast I couldn't even hit the button. It popped right back. Let me speak. It went up and came back down, not even a second. So missed that opportunity. Came back down to 9, and then wasn't really doing much. So I took out 25% here just in case something happened, and then I got it flushed down. I got filled on the rest of mine down here, 812 and 811. For a loss, don't know how much of a loss. Probably about $40, but I'm still up $187. So I'm gonna walk away and be done trading. Not gonna overtrade, not gonna overstay. Like Ross says, overstay your welcome. So I want to end the day green. Ending the day green, $187.55. Now, if you do enjoy these videos, make sure to leave a like, make sure to leave a comment. Come and join the Discord. I haven't popped in here for a little bit, but link is in the description, okay? Come join if it would ever load. Here we go. Follow us down here. Here we go. Come join the Discord. Here's a trading lobby. We got tons of people. Here's all the people. You got the chat room. You can talk about anything. Crypto lobby. You got your profit loss picks. Lionheart's killing it out here. I put my videos in here. Trading lobby. We just talk. So come join. Link is in the description. And with that, thank you for watching.